Hello everybody. Today I'm going to share this video clip. It's a one video clips on my other channels, and I think it's a kind of useful for some. If any one of you want to do it, that's a helpful. I think it's help a lot. This video clip is just about the mango, and I dehydrate the mango with the machine dehydrator. It's easy, but like I always said, if you haven't done yet or you haven't seen people do it, so you might be have the thought about like, oh, it's kind of hard, it's difficult to do, or like, probably some I have not banded work, not the it won't be working, blah blah blah. Okay, so I choose this little clip and then I show you. This is kind of sum up everything. You don't have to go longer video. Um, the actual video clip is 5 minutes, but if I trim it, it's probably about 3 minutes because in that video I speak Vietnamese. So that's why I kind of low the volume, turn it off. Those whatever I speak in that video, I turn off. So I try to have my voice here so you guys can see here. Um, so the mango, I use the mango we grow at home, and that is red mango, ripe mango. And then I just peel the skin and slice big pieces, and I place on the dehydrator trays, and then just insert into the dehydrator and dehydrate it. I set up the temperature at 120 degrees. I set for up for 15 hours. Um, Turn out it's not bad. It's not dry yet. It's kind of little soft, but dry, but it's kind of still soft inside. It's a very good, tasty. If you don't like the too dry, this one is a very good. So you can see that's so good. You taste um, the piece of mango, very nice. Yeah, and tastes very good too. So I set up the temperature 120 degrees for 15 hours. So if you want drier, you can dehydrate one more time. One more, you want the temperature hotter. You can raise the temperature up, and then you want the longer. You can set up the timers is longer. So that's it. Peel the mango, cut the slider, and place on the dehydrator and insert into dehydrator and set up the temperature and timers and press the start button. Then that's it. And you wait until 15 hours later. You got the result like the one I have in the video. I told you that's very good, tasty. It's yummy. Especially there's a humble mango. I pick the still it's on the tree, it's bright on the tree, so it's very good. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will get more video for you guys. Probably I probably I retrieve some video from my other channel, and then um I will explain to you guys how I do it, and then I show you guys on this video, on this channel. But please subscribe, and if you have done yet, and so you can know when I will upload the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.